All right, so we're gonna do the rear brakes. We're gonna do a pad swap. So go ahead and loosen up your lug nuts. These are loose. We haven't jacked up the vehicle yet. We're cutting down some 2x4s to jack it up so we don't damage the bottom of the vehicle lifting points. Pop your hood. Right here, there's a little release. Hood release. Right here. Alright, so brake fluid reservoir is right here. Just I removed the lid like that. Alright, so what you do is you undo this. No.
Dẫn vô dẫn ra chút.
Bên ấy dặn như vậy xong rồi kéo lại thôi.
Rồi dẫn ra rồi chút rồi dẫn vô.
Cái brake mới bà có không rồi? Bà muốn cần vô lấy không? No noisemaker.
Cầm này. Oh, good.
Good.
Lên chút.
Perfect. Được.
sẽ dẫn ra.
Hồi nãy nó 30 mấy. Hồi nãy mình để 32.
Dẫn ra.
Đằng cho nó xuống. Yeah. Đây này.
Okay.
30. Nó nói 27 foot-pounds. So 25 plus 2. Plus 2. Lock. There, xong. Mấy này hồi đó đã dạy con hết á. Siết phải nhảy qua lại cross.
Dặn tay trước.
Yeah.
Ba bị một lần rồi, lúc ba mới qua đó ba đi thay bánh xe.
Yeah.
Cái thằng đó nó để cái gân, nó để ốc vô nó bắn gãy cái ốc ra luôn.
Yeah. Với
cốt luôn.
lúc mà siết á, ba cũng dạy con siết phải jump back and forth like the star.
Lấy gân bắn vô sơ đi con.
Yeah. Alright, so now we're doing the passenger side brakes. We have a little tool right here that my dad found, and it ends up fitting pretty well on 2 of the notches right here. So we're gonna spray WD-40 on it.
Yeah.
We're gonna spray WD-40 on the rubber grommet around it, just so we don't rip it as we're rotating it. You want to keep it pretty lubricated. All right, so I compressed the brake caliper, or brake caliper as much as I can. I can do a little more, but I think that's enough. There, maneuver this out. And we're reusing these clips. Our new brake pads don't have, there's an old brake pad. So these are the new ones. I'll add the listing of the ones I purchased. There we go. So the noisemaker goes behind. This one goes on the back side. And I like to install the top first, and then we'll install the bottom. There we go. So here, this is how I do it. The top first, and then you go in the bottom. There we go. And now try to maneuver this. Okay, it's fitting. Top screw. Bottom screw. We'll get it tightened and then we'll torque it. Okay, let's torque it. Put our torque wrench on, and we did
27.
yeah,
27.
yeah. We're doing 27 foot-pounds. I forgot. My dad reminded me. 27. All right. So we need to keep this from rotating. You don't want it, it'll just keep rotating if you don't hold it. Okay. Make sure you hear that clicking noise. That's when you know you reach the torque spec that you want. There we go. Perfect. All right, now we're gonna bleed the brakes real quick. So we'll show you how to redo it. We use, I forgot to show you guys earlier. What we use is a jar with the hose in it, and it's below that level, so no air backs up into the system. Let's go ahead and undo. All right, flathead screwdriver, undo this little rubber cover right here. There we go. And you have this little acorn nut. Take this hose, press this hose on. There we go. And we put a zip tie just so it makes the seal a little tighter. Keep it submerged like this. And you can press the brakes on the inside.
11.
Right, so now we're gonna go ahead and loosen this. So lefty loosey, so you lift up. There we go. And my dad's gonna go ahead and pump the brakes for us. There, so I'll just do a little bit of a rotation. There, and you can watch, there, do you see the fluid come out? There we go. Good afternoon. 5 more times. Okay. Còn đóng lại rồi. Giờ cái level này. All right, we're gonna see what level. So that looks good down there. Let's go ahead and see what level. Minimum. Okay. So minimum is that line right here. Maximum is all the way to the top lip.
Yeah.
Okay. So we want it at the max level. Right now it's pretty close to the min. Let's top it off. Okay. All right. I think it's good. The brakes look like they're seated.